Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abubakar Sadiq Ogusu, and the title of the poem I'm going to share with you tonight is called Two Worlds Collide. But before that, have you ever fallen in love with somebody, but whenever you look at a person's background and check yours, a relationship with a person looks so impossible and so far-fetched? Well, this story is for you. Once upon a beautiful day, a bird flies high in skies of gold and gray. Flaunting and spreading its wings gleefully, it danced merrily with the wind. Far below the deep blue sea, a fish of many colors, wild and free, it swam in joy, leapt into the light, her glistening scales, such a radiant sight. But then, in a moment, both still and sweet, their eyes met, their worlds locked together. He saw the sea in her gentle gaze, she saw the skies in his lofty ways, but time stood still. Time stood still. The world felt silent. No life, no death. Because love had bloomed in realms apart. Two souls connected, heart to heart. But then, I asked my mom, "But mother," I asked, "the child like me, how can such a love ever come to be? A bird and a fish, how can they live together with the ocean so wide and the skies to give?" She smiled to me with a gentle air and said to me, "Son, love is not just a stare. The question is not how, but would they dare?" Well, the boy in the story